Hey, I'm Devstar, and this is part 2 of my DJ Masterclass with Tool Academy and FaderPro. In part 2, we're going to build on the fundamentals and the foundations we learned in part 1. So go check it out if you've not seen it, to get into much more advanced techniques and creativity on the decks to help you get more flair and innovation on the fly in your DJ sets. Similarly, even if you've been DJing for many, many years and have hit a bit of a stalemate, don't know how to get to that next level, this course is for you. Once you've got the core fundamentals and understanding about how DJing works and the equipment works, you'll be able to genuinely mix confidently and creatively on the fly in club, so your sets and mixes will never be the same from one set to another. Go check out the course. I guarantee you, if you do it start to finish, your confidence in DJing will increase exponentially.